Hi guys, it's Tommy here. We bought some recon cards, which have like a 1 in 6 chance of having an autograph, since there's multiple, and it's either 1 in 6 or 2 in 6. But I'm gonna open mine.
All right.
And my dad also has one.
What do we got? What do we got?
Bogan Bogdanovic.
Just got traded, right?
Yeah. Kevin Durant.
Ooh, that's a good card.
I think that's Kelly Olynyk, yeah.
Just got traded.
Who's that? Jaden Springer,
I don't know who that is.
76ers bench player.
Good.
Carmelo
Oh,
Anthony.
Carmelo Anthony.
And rookie recon, Isaiah Jackson. And that's all I got. Let's see my dad's.
Okay, let's see what I got. Tommy, do you want to open it for me?
So yes, sir.
Quickly. What do we got? What do we got?
This thing's so hard. There's your pack.
All right, let's see. I got Steph Curry Recon. That looks like a pretty cool card. I got Bam Adebayo. Pretty cool.
Precious Achua.
Precious Achua. What is this? Robert Horry autograph. That is pretty cool. A Robert Horry Mr. Clutch autograph.
We got an autograph.
Blake Griffin and LaMarcus Aldridge. Looks like the Nets were really well represented in this pack, but I think, would you say this is kind of the best card we got right there?
Yes.
Big Shot Bob autograph. Love it.
That's it for this video, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.